Welcome back, everyone. So, like I've said before, we can actually change this with the header. So let's go ahead and add an H1, and we are going to call this header. Okay? And of course, we have to close it off. So now we have a header, it's in black text, and then we also have a paragraph in orange. Okay? So if we go H1 style equals color and colon orange, guess what? Turns orange. And if we say blue, it turns blue. So this also works with H1 and all the headers and the paragraphs, etc. Okay? Now, let's just add in one other thing here. So I'm going to put quotes around this, and you notice how it didn't work, or it did work, even without the quotes. Okay? For the most part, you do need the quotes in here, because what ends up happening is you need to put a semicolon here, and then we can add in other attributes. And so if I type in background dash color, and then I type this in as, let's say, gray, there we go. Look at that. The whole line is back. Now, watch what happens if I put a BR in there. Okay? And I type something else. That whole background color is then changed again. Right? So if I can say, I'll just type in a 1, and if I type in BR again, and then type in a 2, you can see that the background color just keeps on going and going. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead, and of course, do you think that works with the headers? I think it absolutely works with the headers. So again, put the semicolon, very important, and we type in background color, and we're going to say this is black. Okay, there we go. And the color is going to be yellow. Cool. Now that doesn't look like the greatest website, but as you can see, it looks a lot better than it used to. Okay, so what have we learned? You can attach this to other tags, and if you want to add in more, you have to add in quotes and you have to add in a semicolon. I'll see you guys.